Cocoon, I see that your moves have been well practiced. Darth Maul, you can go to the good side again. Let me help you, Cocoon.
Cocoon, let's get, Opie, let's get him to the corner. Let's get him in. Get him in.
I just like to keep practicing time.
I'm going to pull out my nose.
Pull out which move?
Opie's like,
Oh my God.
Yay! You guys are never
The bad side is winning currently. The bad side is winning. The good side has just scored a positive note.
get him in the corner.
Does anybody get the chance to switch sides or give up?
Hey, can you take a video, please?
I have been.
Opie, help me. Let's get him in the corner. Yeah, I'm going to pull out one of my moves.
Pull out. Give me.
Oh. Oh. The good side just took advantage. Oh, the bad side repeated back. Oh, corner stick. Oh, he fought his way out.
Whoa! Darth Maul is so strong.
One-handed.
Help you. One-handed. There's still so much.
Freeze! Freeze! The final battle will now commence. Does anybody want to surrender?
No,
Not me.
come to the
No
good
way.
side, Darth Maul.
Attack!
My favorite battle.
Oh, he backs them both in the corner. The bad side has just taken decisive advantage.
The cross.
And bow. The judges in the intergalactic struggle have now awarded the decisive battle,
Cocoon's been practicing.
Darth Maul. Oh.
Oh.